Welcome to academic sale of College of Veterinary Animal Sciences Parbhani. Myself Dr. Pandit Nandelkar in charge of this sale. This college has been established in the year 1972. In the year 2000, this college has been transferred under the umbrella of Maharashtra Animal and Fishery Sciences University Nagpur. This is the government institution. This college has undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD program in various disciplines. Eligibility for the getting admission for the degree program. Degree program is Bachelor of Veterinary and Animal Sciences. Eligibility for this degree program is 10+2 or equivalent. After qualifying NEET examination on the basis of merit and reservation quota, the students are allotted the seats. This college has student advisory cell. Every student allotted the advisor who will look after day-to-day activities. This academic cell is looking after from the admission to the passing out of these students. This college has fully equipped separate independent teaching hall for every year with the audio visual facility. These halls are having capacity of 100 plus for the students. This college regularly conducts campus interview for the passing out students. Students are motivated to crack the National Research Fellowship examination to get postgraduate admissions. Students are motivated to participate into the competitive exams and also to clear national level PG entrance examination to secure postgraduate and PhD admissions. Happy to inform you that this college has separate independent girls and boys hostel, library facility, teaching veterinary clinical complex, livestock instructional farm. The students of this college are also motivated to participate in competitive exam. They are also motivated to clear national level entrance examination to achieve and secure PG and PhD degree program. To looking at the strength and facilities available with this college, I do appeal on behalf of College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences to you all to join education at this institute. Welcome.